Maya, what is that?
It's a birdie.
What happened?
It died.
How did it die? How did it die, Maya? It's pretty cool to be able to hold a bird, huh? We're gonna wash your hands and your whole body really good after this. No, you can't do that if it's alive, right? Okay, let's put it down and let's go inside and wash. That was 2 more minutes. Don't put it so close to your face, please. Okay, let's put it down. Let's take a picture. Stay right there. And look at mommy. Say cheese.